Hatch Sleep app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let us get started. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Hatch Sleep app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Hatch Sleep. Now, as you can see that this application shows open, meaning it has been updated. If it shows update on your side, tap on update and update your app. Once you are done, tap onto your settings. Here, scroll below until you see apps. Then here, search for Hatch again. Tap onto storage and clear the data. Before that, make sure that you know your password and your username, then tap on delete. And come back, and here tap on force stop. Then tap on OK, and see if this fixes your Hatch Sleep app not working problem. In case you are still facing that issue, you have to uninstall this application overall and reinstall it again. Long tap onto the app and tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK and reinstall it again. Get logged into your Hatch Sleep account. This will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, like this video and subscribe to our channel.